The phonological system is the set of rules your brain uses to organize sounds in a language. Not letters. Sounds. Your brain does not read spelling. It runs audio software. If you have ever heard a new word and immediately knew whether it sounded like real English or absolute nonsense, congratulations, your phonological system is working overtime. Phonology studies which sounds matter in a language and how those sounds can be combined. For example, English treats the sounds in pat and bad as different. Change the first sound and suddenly the meaning changes. That means P and B are phonemes in English. Phonemes are the smallest units of sound in a language that can change meaning. They are not letters. They are sounds your brain treats as important. But not every sound difference matters in every language. In English, the R&L sounds change, meaning rock and lock are different words. In Japanese, those sounds are not distinct in the same way. Same mouth. Different phonological rules. The phonological system also controls where sounds are allowed to appear. In English, words can start with STR like street, but not with NG like ngreet. Your mouth could do it, but your brain says absolutely not. This is why some accents sound different. It is not random. Different languages and dialects follow different sound patterns and rules. Think about plural endings. Cats sounds like cats with an S sound. Dogs sounds like dogs with a Z sound. Buses sounds like bisses. Same plural idea. Different sounds. Your phonological system handles this automatically without asking permission. Phonology also explains why misheard lyrics exist, like Purple Haze by Jimi Hendrix. The actual lyric is "Excuse me while I kiss the sky." The misheard lyric is "Excuse me while I kiss this guy." Your brain forces sounds into patterns it already knows. Phonology is filling in the gaps. Fun fact, babies are born able to hear sound differences from every language. Over time, their phonological system tunes itself to the language they hear most and quietly ignores the rest. Multilingual babies get the deluxe sound package. The phonological system also explains why spelling is terrible. English spelling reflects history, not sound. Night still has silent letters because English refuses to let go of the past. So, phonology is not about speaking clearly. It is about how your brain organizes sound, meaning, and rules before you even think about words. If grammar is the structure of sentences and semantics is meaning, phonology is the sound system running everything in the background. Like, subscribe, and join Legacy Lab for language and sociology concepts that finally make sense.